Selecting the right components is crucial when building a desktop for gaming or any purpose, and the PC case is no exception. The Antec Addex Midtower case exemplifies this importance, offering a perfect blend of form and function with its 3 pre-installed RGB fans AK14M in front, 120M in rear. This case prioritizes optimal cooling and airflow. There are many white PC cases to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best white PC cases from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. NZXT Premium Midtower Addex Case PC. The NZXT Premium Midtower Addex Case PC is a cutting-edge solution for PC enthusiasts seeking both style and functionality. This sleek case features a front panel USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector, ensuring seamless connectivity with modern devices. The smart device V2 includes 2 Hue2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels with 0-dB modes, offering precise control over your system's aesthetics and cooling. It's clean. Modern design is enhanced by an iconic cable management bar and uninterrupted tempered glass panels, showcasing your build in all its glory. Powered by the intuitive NZXT CAM application, you can monitor and customize your PC's RGB lighting and fan settings with ease. Number 2. Cooler Master Case PC. The Cooler Master Case PC redefines high-performance computing with its innovative design and superior functionality. Its standout feature, the polygonal mesh, boasts a unique 3-dimensional contour that masterfully balances high airflow with efficient dust filtration, ensuring optimal system health. The case's crystalline tempered glass side panel is a testament to precision engineering, offering both strength and aesthetic appeal. Crafted from durable steel and plastic, this case is built to last. 3 pre-installed addressable RGB fans not only provide substantial airflow, but also bathe your build in customizable, vibrant lighting. For enthusiasts demanding peak cooling performance, the case supports 2 360mm radiators on the top and front panels, capable of taming even the most extreme systems. Number 3. Corsair Crystal Series Case PC. The Corsair Crystal Series Case PC is a pinnacle of high-performance cooling and sleek design tailored for X motherboards and showcased in a pristine white finish. This case revolutionizes airflow management with its innovative direct airflow path layout, strategically channeling cool air directly to your system's most heat-intensive components. Equipped with 4 high-quality cooling fans, it ensures your PC maintains optimal temperatures even under the most demanding conditions. The case's exceptional cooling capabilities are further enhanced by its ability to accommodate additional fans or liquid cooling solutions, providing ample room for customization and future upgrades. Its crystal-clear tempered glass panels offer an unobstructed view of your build, allowing you to showcase your components with pride. The Corsair Crystal Series Case PC seamlessly blends form and function, offering a perfect balance of thermal efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Number 4. Be Quiet Pure Base Case PC. The Be Quiet Pure Base Case PC is a testament to cutting-edge design and performance, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality for discerning PC builders. Its high airflow intake, front panel and top cover ensure maximum cooling efficiency, keeping your components running at optimal temperatures even under heavy loads. The case is adorned with stunning RGB LED lighting at the front and inside, allowing for customizable illumination that brings your build to life. Staying ahead of the curve, it features a USB 3.1 Type-C General 2 port ensuring compatibility with the latest hardware and peripherals. Water cooling enthusiasts will appreciate the case's readiness for radiators up to 360mm, providing ample space for advanced cooling solutions. The Pure Base Case PC doesn't just prioritize performance. It also focuses on user convenience with its thoughtful layout and cable management options. Number 5. Antec Addex Midtower Case. The Antec Addex Midtower case is a pinnacle of modern PC design, blending aesthetics with high-performance cooling. This case comes pre-equipped with 3 RGB fans, 2 140 in front and 1 120mm in the rear, providing exceptional airflow and vibrant illumination. The tempered glass side panel offers an unobstructed view of your build, while maintaining a clean, white exterior that doesn't compromise on showcasing the dazzling RGB effects inside. The case's high-efficiency cooling design is further enhanced by the strategic placement of the front 140mm RGB fans, which effectively drive air convection for optimal thermal management. A standout feature is the grid front panel design, which not only elevates the case's visual appeal, but also maximizes airflow efficiency. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.